we've developed leather-covered double cap rivets with the top cap in a leather wrap and the back in a standard nickel-plated finish. And we have made these to match our popular Wickett Craig English Bridle leather. So this is our English Bridle tan Wickett Craig, and you can see that that leather washer matches perfectly. We've got our chestnut, our medium brown, our burgundy. We've got our dark brown English Bridle, olive, and black, all with matching leathered caps. We've made these with our 9.2 millimeter cap. Obviously, the leather pushes it out closer to about 11 millimeters wide, and a 9.5 millimeter post. That can work up to 16 to 20 ounces, but you can get pretty thin as well, assuming you're setting accurately. So I want to show you how to set these. We've also custom made some die setters here for setting these, and we made a variety of iterations on this because we wanted to make sure we limited the X-ray on the outer ring, so these set really clean. So let's start with a hand press. So I've already got this part installed on the top of the hand press. That's in there. Let's set black. So take our black English Bridle Wickett, punch a hole. That'll come through first. So I'm going to take this, and the cap sits right inside of here. I'll pop the cap on. Just a bit of pressure. Make sure that's flush. There you have it. That is fully set. Moving over to the hand tool. And a word of advice with the hand tool as I'm setting this up is to avoid that X-ray, as I was explaining earlier. One good blow should get you set for the most part. Just you want to practice maybe on a rivet or two just to make sure you're getting that pressure and strength right as you're setting these. So that you can see sits right inside. And these are coming, we're selling these in packs of 25. Okay, that's on there. Mallet. I'm going to do one blow to start. And that's set. So those are our double capped leather covered rivets and how to set them.